In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove poweredbysystem.io. If you want to remove the system.io branding from one of your funnel pages, the process is very straightforward. I will walk you through it clearly so you can make the change quickly and save it properly. First, go to the top menu inside your system.io account and click on Funnels. This will open the list of funnels you have available. From there, click on the name of the funnel you want to work on. Make sure you choose the correct funnel, since the change needs to be made inside the specific page step where the badge appears. Once you are inside the funnel, look to the left-hand column. This is where you will see the different steps or pages in that funnel. Select the exact page step you want to modify. This is important because the setting is tied to the page you are editing, not necessarily every page in the funnel. After selecting the page step, move to the right side and click the Edit Page icon, which is the magic wand. This will open the page editor, where you can adjust the page settings and design options. Inside the editor, go to the left-hand configuration panel and click on Settings. This section contains page-specific options, including the one that controls the system.io affiliate badge. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of the settings panel. You are looking for the option labeled Display an Affiliate Badge to earn lifetime commissions. This is the setting that adds the Powered by System.io message or badge to the page. When you find it, simply uncheck the box next to that option. That action disables the badge from showing on the page. Be careful not to skip this part because if the box stays checked, the branding will continue to appear. Once you have unchecked it, go to the top right corner and click Save Changes. Saving is essential, so the update is applied to the page. If you leave the editor without saving, your change may not be kept. After the changes are saved, click the exit icon to leave the editor. You will then return to your funnel view, and the branding should be removed from that page. That is the full process for removing poweredbysystem.io from a funnel page. That covers everything you need to know.